In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a flow in Klaviyo. Duplicating a flow is really helpful when you already have a flow that's working well and you want to reuse its structure, emails, and logic without rebuilding everything from scratch. Maybe you're creating a seasonal variation, testing a new segment, or trying a different trigger. Cloning lets you do all of that quickly while keeping your existing flow safe and unchanged. First, make sure you're logged into your Klaviyo account and you're on the main dashboard. On the left-hand side of the screen, you'll see the main navigation menu. Look for the option labeled Flows and go ahead and click on that. This will take you to the Flows page, where you can see a list of all the flows currently set up in your account. Once the Flows page loads, scroll through the list to find the specific flow you want to duplicate. Take a moment to confirm you've selected the right one, especially if you have several flows with similar names. On the far right side of that Flows row, you'll see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is the options menu for that individual flow. Click on those 3 dots to open a small drop-down menu. In the drop-down, you'll see an option called Clone. This is the feature Klaviyo provides for duplicating a flow in the current interface. Click on Clone. As soon as you do, Klaviyo will open a new window or panel where you can configure the details for your duplicated flow. Here, you'll be asked to give the new flow a name. Type in a clear descriptive name so you can easily tell it apart from the original. For example, you might add something like test version or holiday variant to the end of the name. A consistent naming convention makes managing multiple flows much easier over time. You'll also see an option to set or adjust the trigger for this new flow. This step is optional, but it's extremely useful. If you're cloning the flow to use the same logic for a different segment, list, or event, this is where you can choose a different trigger. Take a second to think about when and how you want subscribers to enter this new flow before you move on. Once you're happy with the name and any trigger changes, look for the button labeled Clone Flow. Click Clone Flow to finalize the process. Klaviyo will now create an exact copy of your original flow using the settings you just configured. After it finishes cloning, your new flow will appear in the flows list, ready for you to open, adjust, and activate whenever you're ready.